Welcome back guys. Today we're going to be fitting a heater bypass to help with heat management on our Healey 104. Let's go and take a look. Now first of all we went up to the NEC Classic Car Show and we spoke to JME. We showed them a few pictures of where we're at and just finalising the last few things before we go away for panel work. And we said we're not running a heater, that's fine, and they said have you put in a bypass? And we thought well, no we haven't. We've blanked off where the heater tap goes through to the heater, and what we've done is we thought we've got an alley rad, we've got a Revertech fan controller and a fan. Heat management wise we're going to be okay, but they said for any Healey 104 that's not running a heater, put your tap back in and put a loop of hose back round into the return that comes off the water pump, and that will help with heat management. So that's what we're going to do today. First of all, let's get the box open and see what parts you're going to need to carry out this job. And also, whilst we're unboxing it, I feel I've got a slight apology to make to some of you guys, because I'm extremely conscious that the majority of people subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for doing so, it means a lot. But you subscribe initially at the beginning for the Healey 104 to watch the build and watch the restoration. And recently, all I've been bringing you is Vauxhall Corsas and Mercedes and things like that. So today I thought it's a great excuse to make a video and kind of address you guys out there and say, look, Healey 104 content is coming. We're going away extremely soon. It's happening, and then it's going to be really exciting. 3 feet of 1/2 inch hose. And we have the very pretty lovely copper tube that goes at the back of the cylinder head from the water pump around the back of the rocker cover. And for period correctness we've got some double wire clips, some fibre washers, and we have the correct tap. So let's get the system drained down ever so slightly and then we'll start fitting some bits. So there we have it guys, our heater bypass is fitted, and now hopefully that will help with our heat management when we start using the car on the road, which will hopefully be in the spring, I hope. Now then, a couple of quick things before I go about the sealants that we've used. On the heater tap on the thread itself, I've used a little bit of PTFE tape. Now there are 2 types, there's a white and there's a yellow. The white one is supposedly for water and the yellow is supposedly for gas. But I work with this stuff every single day, and I will tell you to only use the single wrap yellow stuff on everything. It's fantastic, it never leaks, it always works. And on the thread on the heater tap, I've used a little bit of LSX, which is just like a silicone sealant, but again, there's a little bit of extra security. So there we go. If you enjoyed today's video, as always guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from us, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully we'll be seeing you very soon with a complete car. Take care. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be fitting. It's been such a long time, I cannot speak anymore. Let's try again, shall we?